Ah, I think siguro yung tamang galaw namin, paano rin kami nag-prepare or kung anong meron talaga yung team namin. Like, yun nga, pagka kailangan gumalaw talaga kami ng mabilis, pero dapat nasa tamang timing. So, I think yun yung mga naging adjustment. And especially, yung serve namin and receive. Napakalaking ano sa amin yan. Napakalaking factor. Kaya, ayun, nakuha namin yung game.
Questions for Coach Shaq.
Coach, yung first set nga po dahil dikit yung medyo kinapos. Tingin niyo po ba may part na dahil yan sa maabang break, yung pagbalik medyo shaky pa or sadyang naungusan ng dito kayo?
I think merong factor. Hindi naman sobrang laki, pero kasi actually pagbalik nga namin sa training, medyo ganoon din na medyo ano kami nung sa galawan namin, medyo mabagal talaga. Pero ang good thing kasi kaya nakaka-proud yung team dahil pag gusto nila talagang gawin kung anong meron kami, alam namin na pwede kami manalo. Sorry.
Coach, yung kumpiyansa, if i-rate mo from 1 to 10, especially opening PVL semis na 4-set win.
7, 8. Kasi hindi pa yon enough para masabi namin na okay na kami kasi mas mataas yung target namin. Pero maganda na yon and alam naman namin na pwedeng mangyari. Maging consistent lang talaga kami every game. Sorry.
Coach, yung sunod yung laro, Creamline, then PLDT. Paano nyo lang yung approach nyo doon since hinahabol every game nga is important dito para mag-finals?
Ano lang, yun nga, mag-recover maayos, aralin ulit namin yung paano yung galaw ng Creamline. Alam naman natin kung gaano sila kahirap kalaban. So, puro bibigay namin yung best namin sa next game namin. So, Creamline muna. Saka namin siya paghandaan yung PLDT. So, yun muna. So, good thing meron kaming 2 days para makapag-recover, makapag-train.
Okay na kay Coach. Sige, Coach.
Thank you! Bye! Congrats ha! So, bye!
Bye, good luck, Coach. Ay, may game ka pala.
Sige
Good
mo!
luck po.
Thank you!
Ayun, Erica and Bunny, siguro for you guys lang, paano lang kayo nag-regroup after yung nag-fall short kayo nung first set?
Parang we just played steady. We didn't panic after the first set. We know na coming into the semis, what's important is our adjustments, in-game adjustments, and communication. So we focus more on those things rather than focusing on our errors, what we did wrong. We focus on what we need to improve on. So I think that helped us a lot coming into the next sets.
Ayun, Erica, big game din for you.
For me lang, nag-reflect lang kasi yung first set, parang winnable naman. So, yun, instead na mag-panic nga sabi ni Vanny, so nag-collect kami ng mga efforts, tinignan namin kung saan kami nagkulang and yung mga lapses. So, ginawan agad ng paraan.
Vanny, Erica, gano'n lang siguro kaiba yung expectations and pressure ng single round robin series na you have to get as much wins as you can. And even one set loss could really spell the difference between finals and quarters.
It's very pressuring, of course, kasi it's like 1 kill you done. But parang we don't really focus on that, on the result. We focus on what we need to do now. If it's training, and then the game, each point, each set, and then recovery after. We just try to do everything we could do to prepare well, and then not really give ourselves much pressure on the outcome of the game.
Ay, second emotion. Parang sinabi niya na lahat. Pero yun, yung mga games na to sa semis, mas win talaga sila. Bawal kang maging complacent and kahit may win ka, hindi basta-basta makaka-assure ka dun sa spot mo sa final. So, yeah.
Sa inyong dalawa, yung halos lahat sa buong team maganda yung nilalaro. Sa inyong dalawa na nag-lead din sa scoring, tas sila Jail and then the rest nagko-contribute. Siguro gano'n lang kayo proud sa isa't isa na ito parang unti-unti nakukuha nyo na yung connection na hinahanap mo.
Cut moms. Hindi. Kasi nung before, mga previous games, nag-uusap kami ni Van, like, personal. Sinasabi ko din sa kanya, and sinasabi niya sa akin, mag-cover up kami to each other. Kasi bawal kami mawala. Na, yun, parang na-motivate lang ako kasi nakita ko na trust niya ako. So, binabalik ko din sa kanya yung trust.
I think we all just play very selflessly. No one wants to be the star. We just try to cover for each other in whatever way that is. If it's starting from the passes, if Erica's doing better in offense this day, I try to do my best to have good first balls. And if she's struggling, I try to step up also with. But not just me. The whole team plays very selflessly. So I think it's that support system we have with one another. We allow each other to make errors. We allow each other to have the time to recover.
Vani, this isn't the first time that Signal got into the semis, but what's different this time? Do you think that Signal is different this time, or this is the accumulation of the previous hard work and progress?
Signal's different in a way na our core changed a bit. We had our key players from before left, and now we added some more key players. So we needed a bit of time to learn how to play together. But in terms of like the heart, it's all from the accumulation of all our heartbreaks that we had in the past.
Thank you.
Thank you.